ओंकार शाहान गोयचे नाव केला। एम्स मेडिकल सायन्स इन्स्टिट्यूटाचे एंट्रन्साक ताका 28वा रँक मेळ्ळा। तो सांगता ते प्रमाण एम्सात एडमिशन मेळिल्लो तो पयलो गोयचो भुरगो। ताका NEET एग्जामीक 549वा रँक मेळिल्लो। ओंकार म्हणटा अभ्यासाकडेन सिन्सियर आसचो, सिरियस न्ही। जुवेलासावन ताचे दिल्ली एम्सात दोतोरकीचे शिक्षण सुरू।
My name is Omkar Kishore Shah, and I've secured All India rank 28 at AIMS, which makes me eligible to take admission into the prestigious AIMS Delhi, which is the best medical institute in the country and perhaps the world. And this is in continuation with my All India rank of 549 at the NEET exam. So this is a really proud moment for me and my family. They've always supported me, they've always been there. So this is indeed a very happy moment and proud moment for us, because I think I'm the first Goan to get into this prestigious institute, AIMS New Delhi.
And there are only 50 seats at AIMS Delhi in the open category, and he's got 28 rank.
I think this message I want to give to all the students, because I used to go to sleep at 10:30 at night. So this myth should be debunked that you have to sit up till 2 o'clock to get into the best institutes. I think we have to focus on your whatever time you have, quality time. We don't have to be serious, we have to be sincere. That is the message I like to tell all the students.
In fact, a lot. Sometimes, I feel parents, they do a lot of more micromanaging. They put them into 5-6 classes, they stress them, and they feel if he has not studied till 1 o'clock, it should not be. Second, parents' own understanding about these exams is, I would say, below average. It's very important because NEET, everyone is running after NEET. NEET only gives you a good state college. If you want a central college, which is the best, then the entire study is different, because AIMS is a different type of exam. JIPMER is a different type of exam.
मोरोक्को फिफा वर्ल्ड कपांतल्यान भायर। पोर्तुगाला आड खेळटाना मोरोक्कोन एकार एक आक्रमणां केली, पूण गोल करूंक जमलें ना। खेळ सगळो मोरोक्कोचोच। पोर्तुगालान 4थ्या मिनटाक क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डोच्या हेडराच्या नेटार लीड घेतिल्ली तितलीच। ही लीड निमणे मेरेन राखून पोर्तुगाल जिखले। मोरोक्को पयल्या मॅचींतूय इराणा आड बरे खेळून सेल्फ गोलार हरिल्ले। मॅच पोर्तुगालान तर फुटबॉल मोग्यांची मना काळजां मोरोक्कोन जिखली। हे बुलेटिन हांगा सोंपता। ह्यो खबरो तुमकां प्रुडंट ॲप, ट्विटर, फेसबूक आनी प्रुडंट वेबसायटीचेर लायव्ह मेळटा। प्रुडंटाक फॉलो करीत रावात। नमस्कार।